Memo akwaba deba GCN page so midi ede adwoa searchi. Mr. Subscribe to my channel. For me abel on the so we a notification and some ekoso abia obenye bi etie anase obenye bi ahwe. Kwame A+ na oka say na Kwame A+ ni nsema okan na ne say ewom eyampa say de bia o criticize the MPP aban na empo his excellency Nana Addo Akofu Addo say niam ekoso wo memu no ense emfata enimu kura Nana Addo na membu no enkoyie a de bia oka ho nsem na de ade a na emom no eye COVID-19 vaccine na aba no obi make sure say obekwa akwo bi because this one in Kwande or trust in Nana Addo enti no obi an kowo vaccine bi say na ebe ya yan daily lives na betimi akoso ebetimi akomonten akodi yendwa akoye ye niam de bia say ye na nose mask na hand sanitizer na adoso because nose mask nkrebu o so ntumi nati oba hyeso enya fine enti COVID-19 vaccine na aba no obi make sure so bakwakowo because Nana Addo enku ande on that day eye no kware pa because in rubebre kura waga na ha no oyawe akọ hospital omde ema wono abrofo no mo yeba nti sa abrofo no mekunya dadada anka omo akunyen na Kwame A+ nsan so ekire se Nana Addo kra endra address ye obe address nation Ghana fu ya okasa bebrebe na enye necessary anka ese nko use 2 minutes pe no de kase COVID-19 vaccine na aba no oyo be ma na wo bi a boost to sexual activity and as answer man na say be womanhood na yekese Nana Addo kan say ka yan say kan do ogina ho kasa ka de chin ka kohwe ka say lia enkofo asenye like to mo kwakọ Japan no na obegina ho kasa ka I say Ghana for mo fa ni serious na Kwame A+ say vaccine no yan fa ni serious na yen kwowo because we Nana Addo ontumi end andaye na adofo yen na yenim last year 2020 COVID-19 yare bonsam kodi ewu ebehye yenso eni abese niam bebre wo Ghana ha no na yegusu ye kokon saa last year 2020 December nimu wono na everything was okay it means yare na akofem kra nose mask kra ne yenhye hand sanitizer ne use na gade a politicians so de femu eyo campaign na yesi 2021 mu chale yare say hey me na mini wa unity and this no restrictions e dash no kra nya asem ketwa e no kwahye so run about do hono na sa won se nose mask and the police ni say na se trotro no wa bomba na omo asimo omo ajobi a 50 cedis won se nose mask omo asan so ama no wa to bi aka ho e na de ade na e de wo Ghana ha na ne yakuma asem kra nko a akra ina ekoso wo ho and so je ne o se police no obechi wo and wo betiga temasa no bia wo no akọ and 2021 na COVID-19 ye unity day and ya abre pa e wo Ghana ha no na nyame ncha de vaccine aba a kire se wo wa be prevent se na be ya wunya yare ni bi ana se be bo ye ho ban na vaccine ye se bebe na Ghana fu so no mo se hwe ahene ha ye na yenko vaccine COVID-19 vaccine no na yenko wona emema no so mo wa ebete homosexual activities so emba no so mo wa omo wo pane na enya de ometumi awo ebe affect omo enti ne pane de nya de omo wonde anase ochina na ndo na Addo address nation no chese COVID-19 vaccine de aba utwi mu tan kra obewo because eyade a ono Nana Addo no mama Rebecca Ghana ina ye mama ye first lady and a second lady Mrs. Bawumia and our friends vice president na se nkofo foi omudin ka akwa vaccine no publicly na Ghana fu na ye hu eba ne sa na ebe hye yenden se ne ye ebe ye nso ebetumi awo na Ghana fu kra de hene ha was want e kra na Kwame A+ aba bonse chese Nana Addo COVID-19 vaccine na aba no yenkwa ne yenkonkowo because Nana Addo entumi end adan na yeti nsema Kwame A+ e de etuda
so Jesus Christ oba wi ase no ne Pharisee fo no ne ahemfo ne penifo no asofo ne ade no ne omo nka kra o no ne omo nka ebedu bi o se Pharisee fo nkwasiafo mo ni asempen Jesus Christ but ebedu mmerebe no ka kire ne so ne chidifo no se mo fa Caesar de ma Caesar na mo fa nyame de ma nyame say Dummer so de Nanado, Dankwa Akofu Addo, His Excellency Ghana Mempeni Diamana, now Diamano. Sani ye bumai, obie ni ho chi obia ye nyina se na be your mind be ye nti na ye kasa. Konfoboni oti kuro bi mo ti kuro begu, egu ono aso timu bi, obebere bi. Nti o se ye nyina de papa ba na ye nyina ya support, ni enya no so na ya ka. Vaccine na ye di aba no. Obie ni ho de aba so di beku obia na so de besese obi die na so de be ye bibia. Vaccine e wa ho banbo, ene wo help, nti na vaccine no aba. Ewiase sumu nya akwa sumu enye wakwa ena so akodi so nya suma vaccine no eye wa na de mawo se ne be ye bebo ho ban so aduane ko fie na kodi obi ansuma ho eye wa wafuntia nti vaccine no ye de aba se ebebo wankasa wo ho ban enti no everybody must get vaccinated broni epebibini aye ne bibia on fan ko spend the time in developing vaccine emfa vaccine no embe wo ansa. Also, Jesus Christ obey we as no ne Pharisee for no ne ahemfo ne ansa na wenyawo broni pe bibini aye ne bibia nkon fan wo panie kra ne wo ya tinkon fan wo panie anka wo de behye sardine broni na eye no de abrawo onim se wonum ye wo de nti broni pe bibini aye ne bibia anka wo de behye sardine mu anka wo de behye corn beef mu menum na ye moda no twi mako tu scon bi gusu na wo de banku tare ho wonum se broni na ye wonum Hennessy ne black label no ye nya wogomu ampota wo broni na ye na de ba na wakonom ayi Remy Martin ne ade na wonom no ye nya wodododi odio broni na ye na de broni pe bibidi aye ne bibia nkod be hye anum wo yare na ko hospital ndo na de ma bebre wo hwa broni na ye de ba broni pe bibidi aye ne bibia nkod ye ya che mun sa conspiracy theory ni ade ni nyina hu hia. Everybody must get vaccinated. So one per se will be vaccinated. I know you're there. It's okay, but don't discourage other people from getting vaccinated. It's not right. What I say, life must go back to normal. You per se your copy this woman probe you. You per se your copy this. You per se your area code worker. So you call GNE. BBI is slow. Everybody must get vaccinated. Niyan san sit town. Niyan san GNE. I mean sure BBI. Fa ayi kansem ensem we kire unuanom ebusuafo obia edru wo so a anase edru area kona ko get vaccinated yen end the coronavirus ni we as we asa slow a chedodo na me sure bibia medamase also Jesus Christ ba we ase no ne Pharisee for no ne ahemfo ne.
With the arrival in the country of 600,000 doses of the AstraZeneca vaccine, the first consignment of many more to come. I indicated in update number 23 that the earliest vaccine would be in the country by March. However, by dint of hard work and sheer determination, government was able to secure the first batch of vaccine doses in February, a month ahead of schedule. We are the first country in the world to be recipients of vaccines from the COVAX facility. And I want to express my appreciation to members of the COVID-19 task force, which I chair, and to officials of the Ministry of Health and the Ghana Health Service for this commendable feat. The vaccine deployment plan we submitted to WHO, which unlocked this consignment, was well received. They've done a yeoman's job, and our nation is indebted to them. We're grateful also, naturally, to the contributors and managers of the COVAX facility. The AstraZeneca vaccine is one of two vaccines that have so far been approved and declared as safe for use by the Food and Drugs Authority, FDA. With the process of certification currently ongoing for the other vaccines, the range of vaccines available to us will increase. This will facilitate our ability to reach our target of vaccinating 20 million Ghanaians by the end of this year. Through the National Vaccine Deployment Plan, our population has been segmented into 4 groups, and this will determine which section of the population gets vaccinated at a particular time. Group 1 is characterized as, quote, persons most at risk and frontline state officials, unquote.